Hello guys, welcome back to Mike Money FX trading platform Expertroborex. So today we've come to the last day of our 1 week intensive training, and basically today I'll be showing you how I made my first $100,000 trading Forex. I will give you tangible proofs, withdrawal proofs to show how I made over $100,000 and I've actually withdrawn this money. So stay tuned while I take you through most of my accounts and you see my actual withdrawals. So first of all, there is a bonus package at the end of this training. Yes, the training ends today, and we have a bonus package for those who will carry out a very simple assignment. So I want every trainee of this last week to carry out one single assignment. I want you to prepare a testimonial video of this training, what you've learned, how it has impacted your life, and how you wish to be part of a next training, a future prospective training similar to this. So I want you to prepare just a 5 to 10 minutes video and send the video to me personally. You can use your phone recording just to record yourself within 5 to 10 minutes and give a testimonial about what you've learned and how this 1 week training has impacted your life positively. So those of you who will simply obey that instruction, you'll be given the opportunity to partake in this bonus package. All right. So next thing I'll be discussing is one of the robots you've used in this week called the Expertroborex V6. Yes, I will show you the 6 months trading performance of this robot so you have an idea of your prospective profits if you are opportuned to use this robot going forward after today. So basically, I will take you now to a system called Myfxbook. So what is Myfxbook? So Myfxbook is a generic website or platform where people can simply go and log in their trading account and to give a record, to show you a history record of the trading performance. The good thing about Myfxbook is Myfxbook cannot be easily or cannot be manipulated. So basically, most of the times when we want to confirm some accounts, trading accounts, and don't want prospective clients to have access to the trading platform itself, we can simply give you the Myfxbook or Myfx Blues. So there are actually two of them which can help display the history performance of a trading system or a trading account. Basically to show you all the tradings, most of the tradings in the history if it is permissible by the owner of the account, and also you have access to see the profit margin, the profit performance, and what's also called the drawdown. So the drawdown is when the robot or the trading system faces an opposition market, or basically what is called a negative market, a market which simply opposes the trading pattern for a period of time. So the question is, what is the probability that the trading system or the robot is able to counter such markets and still come out very successful in profits? So basically that is what that is all about. So now I'll take you into Myfxbook for the expert trader V6, and you have a view of the past few months trading performance. And don't forget, this past few months trading performance is on just on one trading pair called the Euro USD. So there are quite a good number of trading pairs, and you could deploy it on a maximum of 4 trading pairs, which means you stand the chance of making 4 times that profit margin. And you must understand that the drawdown can also be proportional in terms of multiplying the trading pairs to help enhance your profit margin as well. So basically, if you're looking at a higher profit margin, you will likely look at a higher possibility of a drawdown in this system. So all right guys, the link is dropped right below this video so you can have access to this Myfxbook trading account for the expert trader V6. So basically this is it. This is one of the demonstration accounts it has been running. It has running on different live accounts, but the admin and management hasn't given us the permission to disclose the live account. So basically, if you wish to have the live account, we might not make that available except for people who have been subscribed with us for over a period of time and we built a good level of confidentiality. That is when we can actually disclose more information regarding most of our very good trading systems. All right, so when you're logged in, you should look at if the track record is verified, which means basically Myfxbook is taking record of every micro movement of the market as regards to the trading system. So it's taking record of every trade that is ongoing in this account and is ensuring that there is absolutely no manipulation regarding that, because most of the times people can go in and trade manually to add up to the automated trading in the system, and that will make the result look so buoyant and very attractive but not realistic. So basically you have to look at the track record is exactly verified, and trading privileges have also been verified, which means giving you the opportunity to share this link and allow other people view what it is trading. Now, when you go into Myfxbook, what you should be looking at for is the absolute gain. Look out for the daily gain. Look out for the monthly gain, which is the monthly profit. Look out for the drawdown. Look out for the deposits, the original deposits. Look out for the withdrawals, and also you look out for the profit, and you check if that strikes a balance with what is on the balance. So basically this is very important. So you look at for all these parameters and you know you are in the right place. So especially when your drawdown is below 25%, it is very fair. When your monthly profit is above 5%, that is good. That is very good. And look at the absolute gain. The absolute gain here is 101%. The next thing you are concerned is the duration of trading. So this account, from what we are seeing here, this account has traded from the 5th of April down till date. This is 22nd of September. So this shows you it has traded April, May, June, July, August, and September. So that sums up to approximately 6 months. And in 6 months, we realize that it has accrued a total of over 100% profit, which means this account should be doubled. Then we'll confirm if the actual deposit is $10,000, is the account actually doubled? Yes, the balance is $20,000, $23.23. So that is the balance. Now the next thing, we'll have to scroll down and check other parameters regarding the robot to see if it is good enough. So when we get in here, what are we now looking for on the advanced statistics of this trading system? We're looking out for the percentage of successes. Okay guys, there are actually basically two types of trades. So when you come to the advanced statistics, what should you be looking out for? You should be looking out for the wins ratio. This wins ratio gives you an idea of the trading accuracy and performance. So basically, we have two types of trade, which is the longs and the shorts. The longs is the buy and the shorts are the sells. So basically, you're looking at the success rate. For the buys and also the success rate for the sells. Does it make sense? Does it correspond? Now, the least margin we look out for is nothing less than 60 to 70%. If you're looking at something that is extremely good, you're looking at 80%. It's rare to find systems that hit 80%. Very rare. And this is quite very realistic. So you're looking at 70%. So 70% out of all its trades will be successful for the sales, and 71% out of all its trades for the buys will be successful. That gives you a good idea. We are in the right place. Another thing we look at for is the profit factor. Is the profit factor above 1? It is necessary the profit factor is above 1. Very important. That tells you the probability of making a lot of money from this account. And what it's showing you is this account has 1.99 profit factor. So that shows it is extremely good and it will definitely give you profit. So another thing we look out for is the trading history. You can have access to check what the trading history looks like. If it's a $10,000 account you'll be trading with so far, you can even have access to check to know what is the highest lot size so far. Is it something within a safe range, or it is trading highly aggressive? And if it is trading highly aggressive, the question is for how long, and that tells you if it's a good system that has a proper account management recovery plan embedded in its programming. So next you look at is the chart. This chart will show you the monthly gains. Okay, this is just for 2021. It shows you what this robot makes every month and the least profitable month and the most profitable month. You have access to check all of this. So all of this information is good for you to check out on this and make a confirmation, especially if there is an access to the Myfxbook. The next robot to discuss is the BC extinguisher. So the BC extinguisher is one of the best performing trading robots, and for those who had access to yesterday's video, you realize that this robot had an average of 3% drawdown and over roughly 100% profit on monthly basis. So it is a good one to try and go on with this. This actually requires not more than $500. With $500 capital, you are good to go to use the system, and that makes it very fantastic and wonderful. So if you've watched yesterday's video, you will come across the extraordinary performance of the BC extinguisher V3. So the last trading system I will discuss is a trading system that might not be available for you to use because we use this to trade with very, very huge brokers. So this is a trading system that helped me make my first $100,000 trading of the market. Right now, I will take you into my Myfxbook and show you how I was able to trade this system for a long period of time, and this system has earned me over $200,000 to be very precise, far much more than that. So when you watch my videos that I said I made over $1 million trading the forex market, now you come to believe. So I'll take you straight to my Myfxbook. Guys, these links are made available just on the description for this video, so you find a link straight to this same account. Now this is the account. Now this is the trading system or trading robot that changed my life forever. Now look at the curve. Like the first thing you do, like I said earlier, so you're looking at the curve, you also pay attention to the absolute gain, daily profit, monthly profit, the drawdown, the balance, the profits, and initial deposit, and don't forget the withdrawals. So basically, this robot that you're seeing here now, we deposited an average of $320,000. Like as you can see, it is purely a real account in USD, United States dollars. It has made over 200% profits, all beginning from 22nd November 2015 up to date. It has been trading consistently back to back. Now this is the monthly profit, which is extremely small, 3.4, very small, and the drawdown is next to nothing. That is 0.4% drawdown. But don't forget, If I deposited $320,000 in this account, I've withdrawn over $515,000. Calculate my profit. I have withdrawn my capital and I have withdrawn my profit from this trading account. This makes it very, very fantastic. So if you calculate the profit on that, it exceeds over $100,000, approximately $200,000 in profit. But it has actually made more than that. This is what I left in to keep trading. So this is the profit graph that you are seeing here right now. This is the profit graph movement. Now let's go down. Like I said again, when you look at the advanced statistics, you are looking at for the accuracy, the percentage of trades that have been won against the trades that have been lost for both the buys and the sells, and look at the profit factor. This robot trades off a hack of a broker. Basically, there are different kind of brokers. Some brokers have hacks. There's what is called the HFT, the high frequency trading. The high frequency trading utilizes the gap between the global market and the localized market of a broker, assuming that the broker will actually resume back to the global market whenever there's a shift or a gap in between their database. And this happens maybe sometimes due to certain parameters I don't want to mention for certain reasons. This should be very confidential. So the number of buy trades, as you can see here, the success has been 97%, and the success on the sell trades has been 95%. This makes this robot super quality and almost super very, very productive. Now, what's the profit factor? 129.08. 129.08. You know what that means. You can put over $10 million here and go and sleep. Go and relax. So the next thing I told you look out for is the history. If you look at the history carefully, the lot size is the same. It uses absolutely zero martingale. Lot size is fairly the same. And look at the time frame for which it trades within few minutes, because this robot utilizes the gap, the loopholes, the weakness of the broker, and sometimes this might happen within 5 seconds. So if you're to trade this manually, it is fairly impossible to trade this manually except use this robot. And on daily basis, you can see how much I'm able to accrue on daily basis. So yesterday, which was the 23rd of September 2021, we made approximately $117 on just 1.9 pips. 1.9 pips movement, and the lot size is 10.28. So this is how much we make on daily basis. To be sincere with you, this year I don't think we've lost more than 5 trades trading this system just this year. It's actually almost very, very perfect. You can see on every day you are earning in profit, and if you're making loss, your loss is actually very small as well. It could be $100, $200, and in 2 days time you've recovered and you're back again, because the system is over 95% very accurate. Now the trading history spans for a long period of time. It started trading from 2015, so you can begin to look at what it has been making each year. Okay, this began December, that's November, and this is December of the same year. This is 2016. You can look at all the monthly profit. It's quite very small, but you discover that it's very conservative. It's a long-time trading system and consistent profit back to back. When you are talking about 0.4 drawdown, it means you're talking a system that is fairly perfect and gives you over 95% accuracy in constant profit, and you have made withdrawals of your capital. So it has been trading since 2015 till date, and you count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is approximately 6 years back to back trading, and the result is excellent and very, very wonderful. All right, so the next one I will show you, this one trades specifically on the GBP JPY. The next one I will show you trades on a different trading pair. So like I said, the real account, this account is in euros. The deposit is approximately 125,000 euros, and the withdrawal has been 216,000 euros. So you can see the profit curve, very smooth, almost perfect. These systems are extreme snipers. That's why I call it the happy trade sniper. It doesn't last more than 30 seconds in the market. It's out. Takes the money, it is out. These systems actually are not for sale, but within a short period of time we might begin to sell it. We have an improvised version that is far better than this, still undergoing testing. I will disclose the video later. I will disclose the video later, and you see that one has still a very low drawdown, and the profit margin is so high, extremely high within a short period of time. So you can see this account has made over 450% profit. What we have now running in this account is 478,000 euros that is currently present in this account. Like I said, the next thing you look out for is your percentage of accuracy, percentage of wins. This is 99% for buys, 98% for sales, and the profit margin is over 1,238. This is out of space technology. Yes, from 2016 down to date, back to back, every month ends in profit. No matter how small this might look, this is an effective passive income strategy and very consistent. So you can imagine what the PC extinguishers we do in the market. You can imagine what a lot of other very good trading systems that we have can do in the market. These systems that I've showed you right now are one of our personal systems we use in making a lot of money. So if I say I've made over $100,000 trading off the forex market, it's left for you to say yes or no, and not for me to convince you. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to partake in our bonus package coming up next week, if and only if you carry out the instructions as detailed out in this video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.